Just a quick discussion on a barometer and how this works to reinforce what was done in class. Okay, so a barometer, it measures the pressure exerted by the gases in the atmosphere. It indicates the atmospheric pressure as the height in millimeters of a mercury column. Now before mercury was really considered a toxic substance, you would see mercury barometers in classrooms. You won't see that anymore. As a matter of fact, if you do, you should probably let somebody know about it because they should be getting rid of it. Okay, and there's a reason why mercury was used as opposed to, say, water, and you should be able to answer that question by the end of this unit. If we look at a barometer, what we have really is an upside down tube, okay, that was filled all the way with mercury. Then it was turned upside down and put into a pool of mercury. Remember, mercury is a metal that is a liquid at room temperature. And it's a very dense liquid. Okay. At the end of this, you should take notes so that you know what's going on in a barometer. Okay, and you should understand that. So, we have gases at the atmosphere exerting a pressure down. Okay. That pressure down is also exerted up. Okay, so from physics, you've got a force coming down, a force is going up. Okay, that force going up is also met by an equal and opposite force this way. Now you know from the conversion discussion that 1 atmosphere is equal to, any 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 millimeters mercury. What that literally means is that if I am at sea level, meaning my atmospheric pressure is 1, that pressure is really supporting a column of mercury.
Hello there, sir. Hi.
Sorry about that. My daughter came home and that was my dog, Jack. He was very excited. All right, so anyway, with the barometer, so we have this force of the atmosphere down, and remember from physics, for every force there's an equal and opposite force, and I should draw the vectors the same. So if this force is supporting this 1 atmosphere of gas, then this force, and these were meant to be the same length, will be supporting the same force. Now, this is 1 atmosphere. The force down here is 1 atmosphere as well. Remember, 1 atmosphere is equal to a column of mercury that's 760 millimeters tall. So really what you have supporting this column of mercury in this tube is the atmospheric pressure. Keep in mind that here, this is not air in this tube. Okay, this is a vacuum. So you fill up a tube entirely, turn it upside down, and we can do this with a test tube and water in the room if I haven't already done so. All right, so that's really how a barometer works.